Check out this stunning former model home in the prestigious Quarry subdivision. Built in 2023, this 1.5-story residence offers 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and over 4,100 square feet of luxurious living space. The home's exterior features a blend of stone and vinyl siding, complemented by a spacious 3-car garage. Inside, you're welcomed by the expansive great room, boasting a soaring 12-foot ceiling, a corner gas fireplace with stone surround, and a large picture window that floods the space with natural light. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring custom stained cabinetry, quartz countertops, a tile backsplash, a large island, and a butler's pantry with a prep sink and ample storage. The main level owner suite offers a tranquil retreat with a cathedral ceiling accented by a beam, a spa-like bathroom with dual vanities, a tiled shower, and a spacious walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms, perfect for family or guests. The finished basement adds a 5th bedroom and additional living space, perfect for a home theater, gym, or recreation area. The outdoor area is a host's dream, complete with a covered veranda, accessible through a 9-foot wide sliding door. The mix of modern luxury and timeless design truly sets this home apart. Opportunity is knocking. Answer the call by calling Elizabeth Urschel for more information on this amazing home.